Mind they are listening.
Capture this.
Any other microphone? Mike.
I think it's microphone or not? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Now, I want to start by sympathizing with our landlord. Starting with our landlord. And at the same time, which is for the 8 in the current government area. I want to ask all of you, please don't be violent. Don't be violent, because violence may lead to the death of somebody. So don't be violent. But at the same time, they can't stop us from meeting in our community. They can't stop us from meeting in our community. I will thank the Commissioner of Police and the Director of SSS. They showed a lot of professionalism immediately I made contact with them. But I wasn't expecting that kind of cooperation. I thought they would go behind these criminals and not render support. But all of us will agree that the police came out. What they call them, NSCDC, right?
Yes.
Came out. And the DSS also came out. So I'm grateful to them. I'm grateful to them, especially those of them who are here. But they must also know that this cannot continue. The way they will show us that this cannot continue is that they must prosecute those who are involved in this crime. I have been a governor, and I know the consequences of not protecting the lives of people. People begin to protect their lives by themselves because they don't want to die. But for now, everybody should calm down. Everybody should thank the Commissioner of Police. Everybody should thank the Director of SSS and the Director of whoever is in charge of NS, the Commandant of NSCDC. Our role is to be calm, is to be peaceful. We are marching to Asoro. What they are doing is a distraction. What they are doing will not put food on your table. We are hungry. If you are not hungry, tell them I am hungry. And they say we should keep quiet. We can no longer keep quiet. ADC River State must register en masse. We must make sure that we have enough numbers to surprise them. On election day, they will know whether we will vote or not. God bless all of you.